Hi friends, it's been months of unemployment. Medyo nakakahiya, pero I guess that's it, that's life. But one of the things that really makes me so happy is when a designer tells me that they want me to model for them their clothes, their craft, their art. It just really makes me so kilig. Sobrang nakakatuwa lang na they think I can bring life to their works. Anong masasabi nyo na this is your last party?
The food was very delicious.
Ikaw?
Hindi natin sa last party. Party pa ulit.
Party ulit. Joshua, anong masasabi mo na malapit ka na maging engineer?
Puyo pa yung hindi ba ba?
Kaya Milan! Wow! Patingin ang kasarap. Hala! Hala! Sir, anong message mo sa mga magiging engineer na? Sa vlog ko to, sir.
Ang message ko, dapat umasar ka mo gabos 100%. Tapos may pleasure. Ako guys yung pleasure.
Okay, top 1. Top notcher.
Guys, ako top.
Top.
Tangkad na!
Ang sarap.
Like, ano yung mga
with academic distinction, certified public accountant. Kim Joshua.
Faye Mazda Bernardo Masbate cum laude. Alexandra J. Hana Amanito. Winona Faye Miranda Sayon cum laude. Krista Feliz Montaliana Taclas cum laude. Julia Castria Felipe cum laude.
Saan ba yan, bo?
Angeline Acera Tonga. John Felipe Ika naman. Angelica Concepcion Ramos Pizarro. Graduation Industrial Designers Batch of 2025.
Hindi talaga dito. Udah naman. Udah naman.
The graduates of Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teaching Education for major in Drafting Technology. Second semester, school year 2024.
Teya Sucia Nebreja de Vanadera.
Dalian nyo na tayo pa pipilian na dalan. Di nyo harap mo sa din, malakaw maligaw.
Magsingo tayo, guys.
Wow!
Ang ganda din ito. Diyan ka sana tayo.
sabi nung isa Korean rose, tapos yung isa Chinese rose po kasi yun.
Hindi po namin alam lahi niya.
But it's a yellow rose.
Yellow
And an orange gerbera.
Hindi na, kaya ko lang pala. Di ko kailangan dyan.
Kailangan.
That's pretty much everything for now. See you on the next video.